This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Shari Lyons less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01915432. With breathtaking panoramic views of Melones Lake and the Sierra Foothills, this beautifully crafted mountaintop home is a rare find. Beautiful stonework both outside and in, high-quality woodwork throughout the house, a tranquil waterfall feature, and an outside basketball/pickleball court, are just a few of the remarkable features of this unique house. Nestled at the top of the drive on an historic hill, where Mark Twain's cabin is located, this spectacular home affords privacy, comfort, and tranquility. The skill and artistry by Overholtzer Construction is apparent throughout the 3,159 square foot house on 3.16 acres. Past the sunlit foyer with hanging chandeliers is the large entryway and sunken living room with natural wood vaulted ceiling and rock fireplace. The living room has a wall of windows open to expansive views of the lake and foothills. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's delight with high-end stainless steel appliances, granite counters, recessed lighting, stunning cabinetry and a large walk-in pantry. There is a breakfast area overlooking the exquisite landscaping and waterfall in the front yard and a large dining area in the rear with lake views. The open floor plan creates connection between the dining areas and the high-ceiling living room. On the same floor, there is an elegant master suite with a newly remodeled walk-in shower and a substantial walk-in closet. There are 2 additional bedrooms and a bathroom on the second floor, and a separate private office and entertainment room with lake views on the lower level. When driving up the private asphalted driveway, you are greeted by the stunning landscaped entrance and the pickle-ball tennis/2 backboard basketball court to your right. The court is fenced and professionally lit for nighttime play. To your left is a separate unit, equipped with cooling, heating, electricity and water. This could be a separate office or converted into an in-law unit. The location off of Highway 49 is convenient to shop in. For more information, review the details below or contact Shari Lyons less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01915432 at 209-532-7400.